Hello, so today we are going to prepare our Zobo drink. So this drink will help you with your weight, lower cholesterol, reduce bloating, and also improve your overall health. So if you're looking for a drink that is going to help your heart, then stay tuned and watch to the end. Step by step preparation of Zobo drink that will help improve your overall health. So we're starting with peeling our orange to extract the juice. We have our pineapple. We also peel the back and use the back to prepare the juice. We also have our clove, ginger, zobo leaf, cinnamon for the zobo drink. So this video is step by step for beginners, people that want to learn how to make zobo juice to improve their overall health, especially weight loss, to reduce cholesterol, lower blood pressure, reduce bloating. Yes, this video is for the lady that asked me to prepare this juice for her. So I'm preparing this juice for you. You said you don't want the finished product, you want the process so that it will you can make it for yourself. So it is very important we wash our zobo leaf properly. Most times it comes with a lot of sand and stone. So wash it before you cook to reduce the sand and the stone. Wash it effectively once it's okay so that you don't throw away the juice. So if you don't have juice extractor, you can use this to help extract your juice. So while we are on it, our hibiscus leaf, pineapple bark, clove, ginger, cinnamon are on fire, boiling. So we set aside our pineapple, our orange juice extract. We will use it once our Zobo leaf is done, and we add it to improve the flavor. So at this point, our Zobo is ready, so we want to sieve it out. Yes, our sieve has been cleaned, so we extract the juice. See the pineapple bark, the cinnamon, the cloves, they are all inside what they pour it with it to improve the flavor and also to unlock all the health benefits. Yeah, this drink comes with a lot of sand, so we want to sieve it out, okay, to reduce sand as much as possible. You can see the sand, see the sand under the bottom, despite washing it before cooking it. So make sure you sieve it down. So we add our orange juice extract or pineapple juice extract to improve the flavor, and your super drink is ready. So if you want me to make any other video that will improve your health, reduce cholesterol, and improve your overall health, your health, your mental health, please drop that in the comment section. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube. Share with your friends that need this video. And don't forget, your health truly matters. Take care of yourself before you fall sick. Nobody can take care of you more than you. So if you want your Zobo drink to be very sweet, you need to increase your pineapple juice or reduce the quantity to improve the flavor. But for weight loss, to reduce bloating, this is the perfect way to unlock all health benefits. So our juice is ready. If you try this, please let me see. Try on the comment section.